This question says the first transplant of a synthetic organ took place in 2011. Doctors use a plastic trachea windpipe coated with stem cells from the patient's own bone marrow. The alternative would have been to wait for a suitable trachea from a human donor. Evaluate the benefits of transplanting an artificial trachea coated with the patient's own stem cells compared with transplanting a trachea from another person. So it's an evaluate question, so we've got to talk about advantages and disadvantages, and it's comparing the use of the patient's own stem cells with waiting for a transplant from another person. So first of all, the advantage of using an artificial trachea coated in the patient's own stem cells. So there's less or no chance of rejection because they're covered in the patient's own stem cells. Therefore, there'll be no chance of the white blood cells attacking those cells. There's no or fewer ethical objections or issues because there's no other donors involved. It's the patient's own cells. It can be done quickly because they don't have to wait for a suitable donor. And the trachea can be made to be the correct size or shape, whereas a trachea from a donor might not be a perfect match. The disadvantages of using an artificial trachea, so the person's own stem cells, is there might be unforeseen side effects or complications. It's a new and untested technique, so it might not work. And using stem cells could potentially cause cancer.